Robbie, what the fuck did you bring it? Where the fuck did you bring us? Oh, dude. What the fuck, dude?
Yep.
This
Been a fucking year. Fucking year, and Robbie's going to kill us now.
Dude, fucking.
It's time.
He brought us to a fucking abandoned place where I have no clue where
it's haunted AF, bro.
No shit, bro.
and it's almost nighttime, and I think he's seriously just here to take all of our money and kill us.
There's a fucking light.
Yeah, you got lots of money, so get out of here. Look at that cat. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
Okay. It's time I kill these two.
Fuck you.
Kidding. But Eaton Rapids, this place is dope.
Look at this noob. Like, he's literally going like, oh, look at me, I'm vlogging.
Go fuck yourself. I just think it's cool. Oh, dope. Okay, hold on. Let's try to figure out how to get inside.
Okay.
There's no way to open it.
Knocked on a door that literally is in an abandoned place.
Say literally one more time, I'm gonna fucking murder you.
What?
Say literally one more time, I'm gonna fucking murder you.
You're already murdering me. Why are we here? Just literally knocked on a door.
What the fuck? This is like some demonic shit. Is that like.
What?
We're in Eaton Rapids, and I don't know why the fuck we're going through an abandoned factory, but we are.
Literally became friends 1 year ago, and now he's just sick of us. He's had enough of our shit.
Why do you do it now?
Look at all the broken glass on the ground, and he's wearing flip-flops.
Or the fucking things? Oh shit.
Did someone put a fucking smiley face right there?
Gotta be happy before you die.
This is very bad. Oh shit, there goes Nick. Oh shit. Okay, so he's here to kill us. He's fucking here to kill us. This is really creepy, bro. I don't like it in here. Come on, just go on. Shit, dude. It's really quiet in here. Yeah. Let's go this way.
Hey, let's try to get that door.
What?
Let's try to get through that door.
Okay, go.
Right.
I'm following you, Robbie. It's fucking creepy, man. You know, my girlfriend's gonna watch this story and go like, my boyfriend's dead. What? Yes, I am. Oh, look at all the hacking paintings.
Dude, at first I thought that thing was a fucking face.
A straight bathroom.
Holy shit, dude.
I'm glad my shirt's not So we made it to the room. There's nothing here. There's not an exit.
Okay, come on, this way. Guys, this way. Some guy literally threw a car radio through a window. Come on. I think it's much better. Nick, I think it's much better being the middleman in the group than the first or the last guy.
I don't mind being first because then I can see it first and run away.
Before everyone else?
Exactly. I don't know what that is.
It looks like one of those old gas
Yeah,
pumps,
same.
you know?
It is.
Holy shit. How long has this building been condemned?
I don't know. I know nothing about this.
Oh, dude.
No, it's not. It's like a big ass.
Yeah, we shouldn't trust those stairs, dude. This building is older than we think it is.
Oh, it's a scale. It's a scale.
Yes.
It's a big ass scale.
Does it work?
No. It's stuck. Come on. Nah, man. Shut it.
Yeah, shut it.
No.
Oh, shut it.
Look what's in here, dude.
storage, looks like.
Just a bunch of styrofoam, bro. If this thing went out, holy shit, dude, there's a hole in the roof. Hear that? Okay, give me a lead. Oh, that's a car. That's a motor car. Yeah. I want to go to a different part of the building. Wait, I want to take a picture of this. Hold on. I want to go to a different part of the building. Wait, I want to take a picture of this. Hold on. Okay, so we're going upstairs now. Let's go. We're gonna die.
Hold up. Like 5 feet apart from each person.
Okay.
Alright, so, not to sound crazy, but I'm editing this video right now, and I don't know if you guys heard that on the first run, but it sounds like a little kid or a few little kids saying, "Help me." I don't know if you heard it. I'm going to replay the video, but just take a listen again.
So we're going upstairs now. Let's go.
Okay. Could you hear it? Write something down below or in the comments, whatever. Write what you heard, if you heard anything at all, if you think it's one of us talking or something, because I don't know what it is. I don't know. I talked to Nick, I talked to Zach, they don't know what it is. So, we're trying to figure that out right now, and then maybe we're thinking about going back and doing an actual video there, like an actual investigation. So, if you guys want that, let us know. And yeah, we're going to see if we can do this. Anyways, sorry to interrupt. Enjoy the rest of the video.
So there's not too much weight?
Exactly.
Okay. Just go. Keep going.
I think this is like packing and shipping or something. I mean, like, why else would it be so fucking plates?
We gotta watch. Robbie, this was not a good day to wear flip-flops.
It was not.
Go. So obviously it's safe because there's a bunch.
But we really can't go that far. There we go.
I now feel safe. Now we gotta go out the window again. Here, I'm getting out first, man.
Alright, fuck you too, Zach.
Oh shit, this is gonna be hard, bro. Hold this. Like, film me doing this, my dude.
Oh my god.
What?
It's a big ass spider.
Dude, fuck you. I thought you saw someone.
I'm looking directly at it.
Oh shit, dude. Oh fuck. Okay, come on, Nick.
There's like a homeless person in there. I don't want to give that money.
Come on.
Oh no. Oh
You gotta jump.
I almost lost my shoe.
Come on, bro.
Ah, give me a sec.
Honestly, the worst day to wear sandals.
Dude, honestly, next time you go through an abandoned building,